Hello everyone, welcome to week 5 of biotechnology. This week we're really going to be shifting from more of a human health focus of biotech to an environmental focus of biotech. We're going to see how technology can alter and also benefit our environment. The essential questions that we're going to ask this week are: how is the Earth changing in the face of climate change? How can we use materials to create sustainable technological tools? How does the scientific method yield to discovery? How can we capitalize on natural biological processes to develop new technologies? And finally, how can we consider possible applications and limitations of technologies? The live session this week is also a duplicate, so you only need to sign up and attend one. It is called Discoveries Through Science, and it looks at how 2 high school students and college students eventually solved a problem of water pollution using creativity and the scientific method. Some key assignments this week include to participate in discussions regarding the use of algae and fungi to develop green technologies, to work with a group to determine a new application of an existing technology, and to complete research regarding your project or company that you chose last week for the biotechnology evaluation paper. Please feel free to use the weekly agenda and pacing guide, the weekly checklist, and me as a resource as you work through week 5. I'm happy to help answer any questions or concerns that you have as you navigate the module. Thank you.